Hey guys, the Contraposter Shop here, and today we'll show you a little experiment we've made. The story is that we bought the Voron kit a years ago, and we've received a PEI bed with it. I'm not saying that PEI is bad, but for me, with my experiences, I don't really like it. But don't get me wrong, with high temp materials and small parts, it worked great, but we didn't have good result with big parts like the vat of our resin printer. So in the nutshell, I have searched a solution to our problem. I've tried many type of bend materials over the years, and for me, glass with a little bit of glue stick on it was the way to go for everyday PLA. I've seen a video of Maker's Muse with his G10 bed, and it got me an idea. On our run, we have an inductive probe, so we need metal under the bed. So here is the plan.
Basically, G10 or FR4 is a fiberglass composite material. It consists of stabilizing fiberglass under heat and pressure with a special epoxy resin exactly like a carbon fiber build plate. For 3D printing, we do not need the special capabilities of these materials since we only print on the resin surface. We really like the textured side of our PEI sheet, so we will try to do the same here. We start by ironing the cotton fabric. With cotton fabric, we can choose basically any color or pattern we want, and it's a very inexpensive material.
There's something even for the leopard lover. Like we said earlier, we have an inductive probe, so inside the bed we will put a metal sheet that we have laying around. In the future, we plan to order a proper spring steel bed, but this do the job.
We did a few tests before filming and decided we wanted to try something new for this video. We plan to only print on the textured side, but we know that a lot of people like a smooth side. So to make that, we are using a plexiglass sheet to lay the resin on top. To prevent the resin from sticking, we put several coats of a mold release agent.
The resin we use today is a simple two-part epoxy resin. We have tried two kinds of resin. This one and the other is a polyester resin. The polyester one is much harder but stinks a lot more. With the test we have made, it works as good as the two-part, but it would probably more suitable for high temp since its melting point is much higher. The two-part epoxy looks more like a self-healing material if you crush your nozzle on it. You will see what I mean in the end of the video.
The resin quantity is up to you. We have these little cups for mixing, and for the area we need to cover, 2 of them seem to be enough. On the other hand, the textured side needs a bit more than a little cup. Too much of it will result in a poor uniformity of the textured pattern, but not enough will cause dry spots and probably result in peeling of the fabric. The quantity may vary depending on the area to cover and the thickness of your fabric. In this step, make sure that you put a lot of pressure to remove all the air bubbles and excess resin. Then you can put heavy stuff on it to make it flat.
For this video, we've tried to have two sides on our build plate. I can't really suggest you to do that on a big surface like us, because you need to be very careful to have an even thickness everywhere to have a level bed, but I guess on a smaller version you should have no problem.
On the textured side, we basically do the same thing.
Yeah, for sure I needed to crash the nozzle on the bed at the first try, but it stick pretty well.
By the way, don't look at the messy wiring. This is a prototype for our easy change tool head.
So I've just stopped the print there just to show you the bed adhesion. Even if it's smooth, it stuck a lot. Did I crash the nozzle again on the bed? Me? No. But yeah. So there you go guys, this is what we came up to for our new favorite bed surface, and this is by far the best we have tried. We even make some for our friends and colleagues, and they share the same opinions. So this is it for today, and hopefully we see you in the next video. Bye!